Do you want to know the secret to selling your home with the least amount of hassles? Hey guys, you don't have to give up thousands of dollars in lieu of no hassle. In this video, you will learn 3 secrets to selling your home with the least amount of hassles so you don't have to sell to an online investor who promises fair market value only to charge you 6 to 13% commission, and then later nickel and dime you on repairs. Guys, I got that off their website, by the way. So listen, here are 3 secrets to a no-hassle contract, gaining you peace and more money. All right, number 1, you want to negotiate the terms up front. So it's when the buyer's emotions are high, you can eliminate tons of hassle. And what kind of terms? So we have the appraisal. Guys, you want to negotiate what will you do if the appraisal comes in low. 2, repairs. What will they do if you accept their contract? Guys, you do not have to repair everything that pops up on the inspection report. We can negotiate just a few items or money in lieu of repairs. Guys, that eliminates hassle. Yay, okay? Also, you want to negotiate your option time frame, okay? This option period, you want to keep it as short as possible, like 5 to 7 days max. This eliminates worry and eliminates, the buyer backing out. All right, so number 2 secret, ask your agent to talk with the buyer's lender, okay? You want them to verify that they personally have viewed their income and credit. You want to fish for information. Okay, make sure you're not dealing with an online lender who issues computer-generated pre-approvals. Guys, this is very important. And number 3 secret, don't ever sell your home with a newbie agent just because you're trying to help them out. Ladies and gentlemen, this may be the largest investment of your life. Would you hire someone who just started experimenting with stocks to handle your portfolio? No way. If you had to hire an attorney because thousands of dollars were on the line, would you test with a newbie? Guys, no. But listen, not for my sake, but for yours, hire an experienced agent. Guys, you don't owe your cousin because you feel sorry for them or want to help them in their business. And also, if they're a discount agent, think about this. They didn't know how to market themselves so they go to a discount brokerage or they discount their services. You really do get what you pay for. So hiring a great, experienced, marketing savvy agent will multiply your profits and eliminate hassle. So guys, you made the investment on your home. Now get what you deserve. Listen, if you're looking to buy or sell a home or know someone who is, please reach out to me. You can call me, text me, and email me. I am here to serve you.